Hey guys, Rasam and Appam in the house. Today we are going to prepare your most craved street style snack, which is called as the Mumbai street style Pav Bhaji. And the ingredients for this dish are So guys, hope you enjoyed this recipe. I tried mine as a fondue. Everyone has a different style of eating their pav bhaji. It was amazing. Do try it and let me know your feedback in comments. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe on Instagram, Facebook and especially YouTube.